Let's talk about something most men never bring up, but quietly think about. As the years pass, the body changes, not suddenly, not dramatically, but gradually in ways that are easy to notice and harder to understand. You might begin to feel it in small ways, less sensitivity than before, a slower response, a sense that your body isn't reacting the way it once did, and with that can come uncertainty. What's normal? What's healthy? What should change? And what shouldn't? These questions are far more common than most people realize, especially after 60. Not because something is wrong, but because the body is simply different now. Here's the part that often gets overlooked. Your body doesn't stop responding with age, but it does require a different approach. Over time, natural changes occur. Skin becomes more delicate. Circulation may slow slightly. Nerve response can take longer. Recovery isn't as immediate. None of this is a problem. It's simply biology. But when habits don't adapt along with these changes, discomfort, frustration, or reduced satisfaction can follow. And that's where many people get stuck. They continue doing what they've always done, even though their body is asking for something else. There are 3 common patterns that tend to cause the most difficulty, not because they're harmful on their own, but because they no longer match what the body needs. 1. Moving too fast. In earlier years, speed may not have mattered, but now rushing can actually work against you. When everything happens too quickly, the body shifts into a mild stress response. Muscles tighten. Circulation becomes less efficient. Instead of feeling relaxed, the experience can feel rushed or incomplete. Slowing down changes everything. Even a few extra minutes can make a difference. Giving the body time to respond naturally allows better circulation, greater comfort, more consistent sensation. It becomes less about reaching an endpoint and more about staying connected to the experience itself. Number 2. Using too much pressure. As sensitivity changes, it's natural to try to compensate, often by applying more force. But over time, this can lead to irritation or make the body less responsive in general. A gentler approach tends to work better. Lighter touch, less friction, more awareness of comfort. This helps maintain healthy circulation, nerve responsiveness, overall comfort, and reduces the risk of strain or discomfort later. 3. Ignoring the mental and emotional side. This is the one most people never talk about, but it matters more than expected. Stress, tension, or lingering discomfort, whether physical or emotional, can affect how the body responds, even if it's subtle. Over time, that tension can reduce. Relaxation, comfort, natural responsiveness. Approaching the body with patience and acceptance makes a difference. Not forcing anything, not judging changes, just allowing things to unfold naturally. Because the body responds best when it feels at ease. Yes, sir. A healthier approach going forward. So what actually helps? It doesn't require anything complicated, just a few simple shifts. Take your time. Allow the body to respond naturally. Keep things gentle. Avoid unnecessary pressure. Stay aware. Notice what feels comfortable and what doesn't. Prioritize comfort, clean environment, relaxed setting. Pay attention to your body. Stop if something feels off. And most importantly, understand that change isn't loss, it's adjustment. Your body is still capable of comfort, connection, and well-being. It just communicates differently now. The bigger picture. This isn't just about one aspect of health, it's about overall well-being, feeling comfortable in your body, maintaining confidence, staying connected to yourself as you age. Because getting older doesn't mean losing that connection. It simply means learning how to maintain it in a new way. And sometimes, the smallest adjustments make the biggest difference. If something feels off, uncomfortable, or concerning, it's always worth speaking with a qualified healthcare professional. Because taking care of your body isn't something that stops with age. It becomes more important.